Etenge lode nganyita konye nyesde jai moroto ido itungalo chalo na put otem rupa nepeka kidepo kate de woim otomano tem lotisan kesda jala taire ya ikechem anudalo stai mwa ijara neniche.
There is too much sunshine here. There is no food we have tried to cultivate, but there is nothing. So up right now, as we talk right now, our people from this place, they are not surviving on gold. There's too much hunger. Gold, you find a person going from morning till dawn, and he comes and gets only either 3,000 or 6,000 in a day. Now, all day.
Now we are only these very people who are here in this village. They will not even reach the data. There were many using our homes. Even if a person like me, I'm only here. Then there again, nobody. After there are two people. The VHT with this mama. Then there, Mama Ojok, which is staying there with the children. She is going to look for gold again.
Chakula chako na tena watu tena nteja amewacha watoto chakula hakuna.
Akatiki ta kormi arango wei ango ne angelia ango pana be pitte ara na warare ne burni ni jene ango.
Like now here we are really suffering a lot. We need the government to raise up to help us.
Ido ipolokom amakyo kaidwe kesida jala kinta pakitai otomano togoim ide jarete luke dadakai nada ilipuna neja simule muna ita John.
Tete dabi muje tengi adakai ngine lodi otwana ni karan toto kana ngada lukol lodi gar la taw ni ak lepone ay ticha adakai na ga ni ya uni ngedi gona bere yo ni tege muje tegi
da federation udo district alo moroto kesida ira ritos kes that tune zina.
Situation Moroto is going to get worse, and because of the weather, the climatic change, most of the gardens, crops failed. People are cultivated, but crops failed because of the harsh conditions.
This state of hunger has brought some impact that include malnutrition to its people. Malnutrition has been geared to both young and old. This state of hunger, being at acute and starving, has also led to early marriages and child marriages. It has led to high rate of burglary. With this state of terrible hunger, which may result to greater famine, I foresee that the PDM progress in some of the states may not all that be fine.
Idai monyo nyeskwa nelosi nede japugan nepeka irio ngeta lojo kotao anoda ganga tangini nada inyamat.
Ikaramoja needs your support. Moroto needs your support. I call all our dear partners, our lovely government, to intervene in the relief funds.
Raised alert with also the president. I've written a report. But the chief administrative officer has also written also the Prime Minister asking for relief.
Godfred Eyokum, TV is Moroto.